The derogatory remark of ex-BJP member Nupur Sharma on a TV debate created an uproar. This gave Pakistan a golden opportunity to exploit the situation and continue their fake propaganda. Hate mongers like Khalid Baidoon, Moinuddin Ibn Nasrullah, and Ali Sohrab got another opportunity to spread hate and communalism. Khalid Baidoon started posting with the hashtag boycott Indian product and also dragged the issue of Kashmir in between. Social media users have shared many deceptive messages and videos of crowds with the claim that the crowd is gathered as a protest against the derogatory remark on Prophet Muhammad. Similarly, several media houses, including Pakistani ARY News, had run wrong news that Oman's Grand Mufti announced boycott of Indian product. Further, a fake screenshot in the name of English cricketer Moeen Ali, in which he is talking about boycotting IPL, also went viral. Actress Kangana Ranaut wrote on her Instagram handle against the CEO of Qatar Airways in response to a viral spoof. She later deleted her tweet as the video was fake, but she gave social media users another chance for trolling. Likewise, Pakistan's former ambassador Abdul Basit made a wrong claim that ex-BJP member Naveen Jindal is the brother of industrial Jindal. Some of the hashtags that were used mostly includes Stop Insulting Prophet Muhammad, Boycott Indian Product, and Arrest Nupur Sharma. Most of these accounts also changed their usernames frequently. There are many fake accounts who posted sexually explicit content with the hashtags to amplify the hashtag. More than 7,100 accounts from Pakistan interacted on the hashtags. Even some verified accounts were involved in this propaganda. In a striking similarity to an earlier fake online campaign against France, many accounts have posted on boycott French products earlier in 2021 and now tweets on the current hashtags. Some of them were PTI accounts and some which changed their usernames frequently. Pakistan is consistently trying to create fissures in the Indian society by deliberately indulging in social media-based misinformation warfare. Fake news campaigns have become the Pakistan deep state's hallmark.